Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. Here's another request drawing. This is for Izuki Chan. Again, this is the second one that you've requested. You requested that I draw Sebastian from Black Butler. So here it is. This was a really good drawing. I really enjoyed doing this. It's a slightly more realistic manga type drawing than I've been doing of late. So as always, I've free-handed this out in pencil and I'm going over it with a very fine tip Faber-Castell permanent liner. This was really important because the tips of the hair as they come down over the face need to come to a very, very sudden point. And if I used anything that was slightly thicker than this, you just lost that tapered end to it. I used Copic markers. I used a Copic marker black and a cool grey 7 for the hair. I'm using a Signo Broad, it's a multi-liner Signo Broad white for the highlights. For the skin tones, I used a milky white for the lighter side of the face and I used a chamois for the darker side of the face. I went through with the cool grey 1 in the lighter areas of the shirt, and then I finished this drawing off with a black Sharpie pen for the border, which you can see now. So this probably only took me about 2 hours in total, which is quite quick for me. Getting towards the end of this video, so I just wanted to thank you guys for supporting the channel so far. It means an awful lot to me when you do like, comment, share, click on my new videos. I'm doing requests at the moment, so I'm sort of midway through about 6 or 7 requests that I've had recently to do some more anime and manga. If you'd like me to draw something else, give me a comment down below, or you can get hold of me in my social media platforms. All the descriptions are down below. All the links are down below in the descriptions. Really enjoyed doing this. Thank you so much, and I hope you like this drawing, Izuki Chan. Let me know what you think of it, and let me know if you've got anything else that you'd like me to draw. Maybe you'd like a tutorial how I do manga eyes or something like that. I'd be more than happy to do it. So thanks once again. There's the finished picture. I hope you like it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.